Hey there, welcome to Bee Family Life. Do you like chocolate?
We sure do. So we went on the best chocolate tour in La Fortuna.
There is so many things in chocolate right here. So what I'm trying to tell is that the chocolate here is one of the tropical fruits that we're gonna see. We're gonna see something about 40 tropical fruits at the beginning. Look at this, a huge mango tree. Something like 13 years old mango tree. A huge mango tree like this can produce up to 3 pounds mango. So we have to prune the tree, we have to get the mangoes before they fall and destroy your house. Okay? Mangoes, they can be eaten when they're green and they can be eaten when they're ripe. When they're green, they're sour and crunchy. We have the beautiful guess. Come on, a good guess.
Mango tree.
No. 5 points left. Next one.
Starfruit.
Starfruit. Extra chocolate for a gentleman. Hi.
Starfruit.
Look at this beautiful starfruit. It's not a dream. Look at those.
There are
sour,
so many.
sweet, delicious starfruit. They're just delicious. You can put the whole thing in a blender. You add water, sugar, and ice, and then you get the amazing smoothie. They're just such a... It smells so funny, and they're sour, sweet, delicious. So, any clue why it's called a starfruit? Smell like a star. Yeah. Smells good. Smells such. Isn't that good? It smells delicious. Don't worry about night. It's not sharp. This orange is such a delicious orange. We're gonna pay attention to mom. How she ate. You do this. You put the 2 hands like this, and then you squish with these fingers in the front, not the back. With the front fingers, you squish with the fingertips, and then you suck on there, and then you rotate, you squeeze, you suck back again, and that's how you eat the orange. Okay? Press here like this, squeeze, suck on there. You want one? No? Any other?
Oh,
Any other for you?
Did you know chocolate comes from a fruit?
That's crazy.
Watch to the end to see how chocolate is made.
Smash that like button like you smash chocolate.
Pay attention. Can you touch? Can you touch it? Yeah.
Is that Pokey?
Look. Can you touch it? Touch? Touch? You want to touch? Make you red. Yes, sir. So what is this for? It's a natural pigmentation. It's edible. So back can be. So people used to use these as a makeover for natives. Used to use this. Okay, my friend. Now you guys, look at this. How tough it is. Spicy chili pepper.
I want to try one.
No way. In Costa Rica, we have 3 levels of spice. Spicy, oh my gosh. And who give me this thing? And this is the last level. And anything in Costa Rica is that level. If you try it, it will burn your mouth and your fingers and your eyes and whatever you touch and manipulate with, you know.
It'll be bad.
Even if you use a fork to cut it or a knife and then you use it, you'll be burned if you're sensible. Me, I eat it, but not today. Ah, sí. No, el chile es bueno, es el como le midió bien la jeta. My friend, if they found the cacao And what we're gonna do is right now, you guys, gonna go over there, twist off a few fruits, yellow, shiny yellow. We're gonna go over there, we're gonna heat them in the oven. We're gonna open up, we're gonna suck on the seeds, and we're gonna see how chocolate is a natural stage before being chocolate. So let's go. First bubble, second, and put it there. Get anyone and twist it off, my friend. Go ahead. $1 a day will stop at 6 to eat. This is not child labor. Turn.
Keep turning the same way.
When I need it to want our
Pretty good. That's free labor. First thing you do is you ferment. You dehydrate. When they're fully dehydrated, you bring it here and you roast them on the fire. And you remove all the shells in the next step. You see the shells? The shells are not cacao. If you grind this much cacao with shells, you're gonna have 60% chocolate, 40% shells. Do you think that's fair for the customer? No way. And the next thing you do is roast it one more time, and then you start having 100% of chocolate. 100%. Where is the... You roast it at least 2, 3, 4 times until you get the flavor you want. Smell this and feel a hole in your soul. Smell chocolate.
smells like chocolate.
It's amazing.
More you roast it, but it is a point that you kind of roast it more or less. It has to be exactly the point.
Are you hot?
Chocolate.
It will be very, very, very dark chocolate. It's pure chocolate.
Mommy, you're gonna like it.
Excited?
Dark chocolate.
You like dark chocolate?
Chocolate.
Oh, wow.
It's bitter. It's really bitter. So a little tip on your tongue. The next one, it will be sweeter. Smell. You just trick. You just moved it. You want to try a little tip of bitter chocolate? Probably your mom can give you a little. Okay, amigos. Next chocolate is the 90% chocolate that is on the table. 90% chocolate. That chocolate is non-fattening. Has more than 150 medical uses in the Costa Rica medicine. It's used and recommended for the American Association of Field for Heart. It reduces the high blood pressure and prevents you from heart attacks. Okay, chocolate, hot chocolate. Pay attention, amigos. Look, a pound of chocolate. 80 $80.
You can try it with your spoon.
¿Tiene azúcar?
I don't know. Probably so yummy.
You like hot chocolate on a hot day?
Well, this is good for dinner, actually.
Do you feel cold?